Hello everyone, welcome to Design First YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make web calendar design in Figma. So let's start. Now let's open the Figma and create a new file. Rename it to the web calendar design. Now select the frame tool and go to presentation and select slide. Now we'll bring the logo from the asset. Now what is asset? Asset is we provide through link in the description. You can download it. Now I have it in my desktop, so I will just drag all the icons. Now do it group from frame up there. Make sure you do that. Then use the icon. Bring logo in frame. Now select pen tool, create a line. Do border 1.5 and change the color. Now again select the pen tool and create a vertical line and do the setting same. Now select the shape tool, create a rectangle, give width 381 and height 52. Curve all the side of the rectangle. Change the color. Now bring the search bar icon, align it properly. Get with your text tool and type search here. Now align them properly. Let's change the text color. Now align them properly within the rectangle. Select shape tool, create a rectangle with 332 and height 59. Now go to the curve option and do bottom right and left radius, do it 50. Change the color into white and give it a shadow. Now change the drop shadow color and do the opacity full. Now blur, do it 6. Now select text tool, type grid type. Give style medium and do it 18. Now bring the grid icon and align it properly by grouping text and the icon. Again select text tool and type Hello John. Change the font size into 29 and change the color too. Now bring all the icons in the artboard, arrange them properly, give the equal spacing. Select ellipse tool, create a circle of height and width 54. Go to the fill, select the image option, then choose image, go to the asset, open it and you will get an image. Select the shape tool and create a rectangle, give width 530 and height 976. Arrange it properly. Now change the color into white, give it a stroke and change the color by the color dropper. Next do the border 1.5. Now again select the shape tool, create a rectangle of width 1815 and height 265. Arrange it properly. Now change the color into white, give it a stroke and pick your color dropper, give it a lighter gray. Now give a drop shadow. Now change the color, give the y-axis 20 and blur 50. So do the opacity 100. Now select the shape tool, create a rectangle. Now change the color, align it properly. Give the width 1285 and height 727. Now select all the three rectangles, go to the layer panel and lock them. Also create a line by selecting pen tool, increase stroke by 4 and curve the edges. Now change the color and give it a shadow. Bring the back arrow in the frame, arrange it properly. Now go and select the text tool, type January, font size 20 and font style medium. Now change the color. Select icon and the January by pressing shift, duplicate it by Ctrl D and drag over there. Now switch the place of the January and icon, rename the January into March, icon do it 180 degree. Select the text tool, type February 2021. Change the style into semi-bold and font size 42. Align rectangle and text by pressing shift. Double click it, select 2021 and change the color. Also change the February text color. Align the text properly. Select your pen tool, create a horizontal line. Do the edges sharp. Change the color. And do the stroke 1.5. Select the text tool, type M in capital, make it regular. Change the color. Now duplicate it by Ctrl D and rename it by 1. Align them both properly. Change the color of one. Select both the text and duplicate it by Ctrl D. Rename it according to the weeks and do the same setting. Change the color of 15. Also change the M color. Then do the same setting by duplicating and renaming it. Now select the first week and group it by Ctrl G. Do the same with others. Give the equal spacing. Make a vertical line for creating a section. Now duplicate it and arrange it properly. Select the text tool and type calendar. Do the style medium and font size 30. Now change the color and bring the icon in the artboard. Bring the other icon too in the artboard. Settle it properly. Now duplicate the calendar text. Do it regular and font size 18. Arrange it properly. Now rename it to the product design. Then again align it. Select the shape tool, create a square, give curve 5 and height width 25. Give it a black stroke. Now change the color of the square. Bring the icon in the frame and by double clicking it, do it drop shadow from inner shadow. By pressing shift, select the text, both the icon and shape tool and duplicate it by Ctrl D. Do the same thing with the calendar and the icon. Duplicate both of them and bring them down. Bring the disable icon and replace it by the orange icon. Delete the orange one. Do it drop shadow. Now rename it to the software engineering. Then change the color of square. Change the text into user research and also change the color of square. Rename it into marketing and align them. Rename it into birthday. Change the color of square. Select your shape tool, create a rectangle of width 4 to 6 and height 70. Give the curve 35. Now change the color. Give it a drop shadow too. Select text tool, type yesterday. Arrange it properly. Make it semi-bold and do the font size 19. Now duplicate it by Ctrl D. Retype it today. Now duplicate it again. Rename it to tomorrow. Select the shape tool. Create a shape. Go to the layer panel. Bring the today text up and curve it. Change the shape color and the text color. Bring the add icon in the frame. Arrange it. Select the pen tool, create a horizontal line, then change the color, give the stroke of 3. Now do the edges curve. Select the text tool, type any time like 11 am. Change the font into Sego UI and give it a size of 70. Next, change the color of text, arrange it. Now duplicate it by Ctrl D and again change the color. Also rename it to any time like 11:30 am. Then do the same process. Now select the pen tool and create a vertical line. Now group text in rectangle and bring it up in the layer panel. Now go to the shape tool, select ellipse and create a circle. Now change the color through color dropper. Now select the shape tool and create a rectangle. Give the curve 8 and change the color through color dropper. Again select the ellipse and create a circle. Now change the color through color dropper. Duplicate the icon and bring it over here. Now bring the icon up in the layer panel, arrange them properly. Copy the text and select your text tool and paste it. Bring it forward. Make it medium. Duplicate it by Ctrl D and do the font size 12. Give any dummy text. Now change the color Now duplicate it. Select your pen tool, create a line. Do the stroke 1.5 and change the color through color dropper. Now select rectangle icon text, right click it and choose bring front. Duplicate the line by Ctrl D. Change the color of rectangle through color dropper and rename it by copy pasting it. Do the same with others. Also rename the calendar into others. Align them. Now we'll go to preview it. So we are done with the design. This is the final look. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share your idea in comment box and do like, share and subscribe.